The next question poses, name Rehan Ahmed, profession studying in class 12, city Lucknow, country India. Can we pray Qada namaz, Qada salah, at the time of any other namaz, salah? For example, I had left the Fajr prayer due to overwhelm. Maybe you didn't get up in the morning. So can I pray Qada salah of Fajr at the time of Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib or Isha? Please clarify. If you have missed any of your Fard salah, whether it be Fajr salah or Dhuhr salah or Asr or Maghrib or Isha, the ruling is that for what if it's a Muslim cannot miss the salah voluntary. If involuntary, for example, you did not get up for the Fajr salah, you kept the alarm and you didn't get up, then Allah will forgive you. But the moment you realize that you have to pray immediately, for example, you did not get for Fajr salah and you wake up after the sun has risen. The sun rises at 7 o'clock, you wake up at 9 o'clock. The moment you get up, you should pray immediately. You cannot say, I will wait till Dhuhr salah is there. Yes, if you sleep and don't get up after sunrise and get up at the time of Dhuhr salah, then no problem. You pray the Fajr salah first, then pray the Dhuhr salah. You cannot wait. But if you keep on sleeping and you get up at Dhuhr time, then what you have to do? You have to pray Fajr salah first, then pray Dhuhr salah. Always, as far as the Faraiz salah are concerned, you should pray in order. You cannot pray first Dhuhr and then Fajr. No. If you have missed your Fajr salah, first you have to pray Fajr salah and then pray the Dhuhr salah, then Asr. But you cannot say, I will pray my Fajr. If you have missed your Fajr salah and the Dhuhr salah time has come, you pray a Dhuhr salah, pray Asr, and then you pray a Fajr at the time of Maghrib. This is wrong. You have to pray in the same order. The Sunnah salah, if you do Qada, Sunnat Muakkada, etc., in a different order is permitted. But as far as the Faraiz salah are concerned, you should read your salah in order. So if you missed your Fajr salah and you get up at Dhuhr time, see to it that before you join the Dhuhr Jama, you pray your Fajr salah, important. But if you are unable to pray before the Dhuhr salah and the Dhuhr Jama starts, then you pray Fajr at the time of Dhuhr. You can join the Jama and pray while the Imam is praying Dhuhr salah. You pray 2 rakat and sit down in the second rakat. Let the Imam complete the 4th rakat. When he does salam, you do a salam, so that you pray a Fajr salah first and then you pray a Dhuhr salah. You have to maintain the order in the Faraiz salah. But if you miss any of the Faraiz salah because of unavoidable circumstances like you're sleeping or you forget, Allah will forgive you. You pray as soon as you realize. But voluntary, you cannot miss, saying, okay, now I'm going shopping, I know I have to pray my Asr, I will miss my Asr and join together with Maghrib. It is a major sin in Islam. Voluntary, purposely, with knowing, missing any of the Farz Salah is a major sin. It is the 4th major sin according to Imam al-Dhahabi. After shirk, after committing murder, after black magic, the 4th major sin according to Imam al-Dhahabi is not offering your Farz Salah. So voluntary leaving because of some other reason, it's not permitted. If you oversleep, if you forget, or if it's the danger of life and death, and if your house is on fire during Maghrib time, and then you are putting off the fire, and then if you miss, it's okay. But generally for shopping or for other reason, you cannot miss any of your Farz Salah. Hope that answers the question.